First. Shout out to Russell. Cross him. Go to the hole. Go to the hole. Now score. Score that. Oh! To the. Oh! You good? You good, bro? You sure?
Oh, we got a second injury. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, shoot.
You good? You gotta get the ball from me, man.
Josh.
Come on, man. You my prodigy, dude. You gotta get the ball. You good? What's wrong? Huh?
Feels like I have a broken nose, but I don't.
You said you what?
Looks like my bone from the nose is broken, but it's not.
What's that? What's that called?
You got bony hips.
You know what that bone is called? I'm not on camera. I'm texting.
Alright, dude.
What's your name? You better make the shot too. YouTube, let's watch him miss the shot. You better make it too. Oh, he just stole it. This going on YouTube, so y'all better make the shot. Uh-oh. LeBron James. Wait. Get him. Dang, what happened? This your interview. What happened, sir? How do you think you did today? This your interview.
Pretty okay.
You did okay? How can you do better next time? Hold on, you're not done. This your interview. How can you do better next time? This nigga here.
Oh, let him get some water.
Right, that's just.
Let him get some water.
Come on.
No.
So he older than you. He a year older than you.
World star.
Hey.
You did good.
No.
He can't have none? Can I have some?
You a bad fool.
Can I have some?
There you go, vocab.
Can I have some?
No.
What? I'm letting you use my hoop and I can't have none. What's up with that, man?
I don't share water. I put my mouth in it.
Whoa.
That's understandable.